guys, I will show you how to open the Optiplex 760. Ayan. Try natin guys. This is my first time to open. I don't know to open, but I will try. How to open. I think this one you have to pull, but it's stuck. Yeah, it's stuck. Oh, there you go. I think this is the one. Pull it, and there's an indication here. There's an arrow, so I have to put it like this, and pull this one. Then there you go. I have to use this one. Oh yeah, there you go. Oh, that's it. Oh, and if you have to close it back, wait right here. And then like that. And then lock this one, open, and then lock. Alright, that's it. That's it, how to open this Optiplex 760. Oh yeah, well, thank you for watching guys, and that's it.